Hello, my fellow foodians. Welcome back to Mama Says Kitchen, where we cook all things delicious, mouth-watering, and sweet. In this video, I share with you how to make these amazing, versatile, spicy chicken wings, which can also be made into barbecue wings. They are freezable and come in handy as a quick fix on those busy days to have with your favorite side dish. It's my family's favorite, and I'm sure yours will love it too. So stick around and let's get cooking. We'll start off by giving our chicken a good wash, and if you have not seen my video on how to properly wash your chicken prior to cooking, I will leave the link to that video below so you can check it out. So once you have given your chicken a nice wash, we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. And for that, we have half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of aromat all-purpose seasoning, and 1 shrimp bouillon cube. Trust me, this is a game changer. You need this in your life. You need this in your chicken. And I'm also going with my black pepper. And you're going to give this a good mix and make sure that it's well incorporated into your chicken, so that all parts of it gets coated, and you know that your chicken is going to be well seasoned. If you are looking to fry this the following day like I am, then I will suggest that you stick to the amount of seasoning suggested, because this is for a 2 kg weight chicken pieces. But if you are looking to do it the same day, then you can increase it or season to your taste, really, because everyone's taste buds are different. So I'm gonna give it a good mix, and then I'm gonna put it into a bowl to refrigerate for the following day. So it's the next day and we're getting ready to fry our chicken. We need a 1/4 cup of corn flour or starch and 1 cup of the Texas hot and spicy fried chicken protein. Now we're going to combine these two and give it a good mix to make sure that they're well combined before coating it with our chicken. So you should always ensure to take out the chicken an hour or 2 prior to frying it to prevent it from soaking up the oil. And you should also ensure that your oil is really hot before dropping the chicken in there, because again, if the temperature is not right, it will soak up the oil and you don't want to end up with an oily, soggy chicken. We want crispiness here, okay? So to also check that my oil is hot, I will be dropping these onion scapegoats in there until they're ready and screaming to escape. So for the oil, using the deep pot will be ideal because we want to deep fry it. We are not shallow frying, because that will mean that it would absorb a lot of oil. So always ensure your pot is deep enough to deep fry. And to coat your chicken, you can do it 2 ways. Either drop a few, maybe like 3 or 4 in the bag, give it a shake and shake the excess flour off, or you can dab them individually, or 4 at a time, but just dab them individually and drop them into the oil. And please do not overcrowd this pot, I beg. If you overcrowd the pot, it will soak up oil. No one wants soaked up oil, soggy chicken. No one wants that. So please allow the chickens to swim and make friends and say their hellos and goodbyes until they are crispy, golden brown and ready to come out, okay? That is what we want. Crispiness. So definitely avoid putting too much in there at a time, because that's what's gonna happen, okay? So as you can see, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Repeat the process, okay, until you've completed all your pieces. Oh, that rhymed. And there we have it. Look at how crispy and juicy and just yummalicious. If you were in my kitchen, it's just unfortunate you're not in my kitchen, but you're still invited. You can come and enjoy some. It was delicious. Now let me let you listen to the crispiness of this chicken. I told you. Thank you so much for sticking around. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
So catch me if I fall.